Well, hello, good evening, good afternoon, and good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Here today I'm going to make a strawberry juice. So in front of me, in front of us, I already prepared for 300 of strawberry, fresh strawberry. It's been already washed and cleaned already. And here I also prepare 300 of white sugar, and I also have here in front of me, I have one sachet of condensed milk. It's around 37 grams of condensed milk. And here I am in front of me, I get also water. The water here I prepare for about 4 people. So I have here 300 grams of strawberry, 1 condensed milk, 1 sachet, 300 grams of white sugar, and 800 milliliter of fresh water. So in the next step, we put all together here on the strawberry inside of the blender, and I put all sugar here inside. And I put in also condensed milk, just to make taste much better, not only taste sugar. Here also I put all the water, 800 milliliter of water. If you guys like a cold condition, cold juice, you can just put ice cube in it. Or if you don't like it, just put it like this one. Or if you like cooler later, you can keep it in the cooler. Just around 30 minutes will be cool. Here we go, the strawberry juice ready to be blended. Here we go, the strawberry juice ready to be blended. And here you go, the strawberry juice has been done and it's ready to be enjoyed. So after all, I'm gonna put it in the glass of water and ready to be served later on. And here we go, the strawberry juice is ready. And it just put in the cooler if you like to be cool or directly or drink it. It's very healthy juice, but remember it maybe it's not good for your diet because we put some sugar in it. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy and follow the recipe. Don't forget follow, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.